called it?
Yep.
Here we have the elevator at Central Colorado. I already started this, Sam is just catching up.
Very interesting building.
I think the interior's still about the same. It's a shame you missed the old Millar elevators.
You mean Millar? Millar?
Millar, I don't know.
Yes, Millar.
That's just how I see it. And weirdly enough, it continues to select the floor after you get there.
Looks like this was Dover at some point.
It did have another mod.
Shaky.
Should check out that additional.
Oh, we're on the corner.
Yeah, I want to see what that. I don't remember.
Just see what the deal with that is, yeah.
I think it was their service elevator. I guess I'll have to look at the old video of this. Yeah, the light stays on when you get to the floor.
Whoa. That might be an older controller thing. This is a very interesting place.
Huh. Are we ending up here? Or?
Yeah, we'll end up here. But before we do, here's a view. Look, there's a gondola.